Circles are round like the moon in the sky, or a big yummy pizza, give it a try. Wheels on a car or a bouncing ball, circles are fun and can roll for all. Squares have four sides, all straight and neat, like a window box or a tasty treat. Towels on the floor or a book so nice, squares are everywhere, just look twice. Triangles have three sides, sharp and bold, like a slice of pizza or a mountain cold. Pyramids tall in the desert sand, triangles make strong shapes you'll understand. Rectangles are long with sides 2 by 2, like a door, a flag, or a table for you. They stretch out wide or tall and high. Rectangles reach up towards the sky. Shapes are here, shapes are there, and everything around, everywhere. Look around and you will find shapes of every kind in your mind.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.